Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Durable, how to create a website for your cultural heritage, chores and experiences business. So first type Durable on the search. So as we know Durable is a website, is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. So we know also that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first, let's sign in. Now create new business and enter your business name. Type any business name you want. Now select your industry. Now enter your location and choose your website language. Now create business and wait a few seconds to generate this website. So first, let's go to the first section on the website. The first section is the header of the website. You can change the site name here. Also, if you want to turn this on and replace company name with the logo, you can upload a file. And if you want to change the label or add a new label, here if you want to add the link, and here if you want to turn this on and open link in a new page. Also, if you want to manage your social link settings, and here if you want to add a channel, just select the type of the social link, and here just put the link. So that's it. Let's save this and let's move on. If you want to add a section, just click here and select any section you want. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. This is the banner of the website. If you want to change this, you can change it from here. Just click regenerate and it will be changed. Also the subtext, if you don't like it, just click here and it will be changed. If you want to change the label, you can change it from here. Also if you want to add a external link. So that's it. Let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the image of the website. You can edit it from here. Here if you want to regenerate the image, and here if you want to edit the image position from here. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. This is the text of the website. If you want to regenerate it, you can regenerate it from here. Also if you want to edit the type or the size of the writing from here. So that's it. If you want to edit or manage the style of the section, you can edit it from here, alignment and spacing and the background. So that's it. So let's move on to the next section. The next section is the list of the website. You can edit it from here. If you want to change this, if you want to manage your display settings, choose what will be displayed for each list item. So here if you want to manage your list items, you can manage it here. And if you want to add the list item, here you can generate image. You can edit the image position, and here if you want to generate a title, or if you want to generate the content, here if you want to add the label or add the link. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the testimonial section of the website. Here click here and now add the testimonial. Here if you want to generate a code or generate by who. So here if you want to upload a file or image, so let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the gallery of the website. If you want to change this, here if you want to generate another image, so here if you want to upload image from browser, for example, let's pick some image from here. For example, uh, I'm gonna choose this. Just put it here and it will be uploaded. And if you want to pick some image from library or from here, for example, let's pick another image from here. I'm gonna choose this. So let's save it and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the location of the website. You can edit it from here. If you want to edit this, or here if you want to change the business address, if you want to add additional text files, you can add it, the title or the content. So that's it. Here if you want to manage the style of the section, the type or the theme or the rounded corners. So that's it. So let's close this and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the contact form section. Can edit it from here. Just click if you want to regenerate the text or the contact form. Here if you want to manage files, so that's it. Here you can turn this on and custom input labels. Here if you want to generate form success message. So that's it. Let's save this and let's move on to the last section of the website, the footer section. Click edit. Here if you want to change your business name, and if you want to turn this on and replace company name with the logo. Also if you want to upload the file. Here you can add additional details. You can add your business address or any other relevant details. Here if you want to turn this on and add a new label or add a link. And here if you want to manage your social link settings, here you can add a channel. Just select the type of the social link and add the link here. So that's it. Let's close this. Apply. If you want to regenerate any content of the section, just click regenerate and select the content and it will be changed. If you want to regenerate the style of any section, just select the style and it will be changed. Also, if you want to regenerate the entire section, if you don't like it, just select entire section and it will be changed. So if you want to duplicate the section from here, if you want to delete it from here, if you want to move it up or move it down. So that's it. Let's save this and wait a few seconds to publish your website. Now just click here, click on publish, and you can publish your website and get a free custom domain name. So that's it for today. That's how to edit and create a website business on the Rebel, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.